BeVi AI camera just dropped, and there are 7 crucial things you need to know before you even think about skipping this software or jumping in too fast. I've tested thousands of AI tools across digital marketing and automation, and this one actually surprised me. And the best part? You can try BeVi AI camera completely free from the first link in the description below. Now, don't click off yet, because what this camera does with AI is not only smart, it's next level. And there's one feature in particular that blew me away when I tested it. Stick around, because I'll cover that at the end. BeVi AI camera is essentially an AI-powered webcam software that transforms how you appear on video, whether you're on Zoom, recording content, or live streaming. It's perfect for creators, coaches, remote workers, and anyone who wants to look pro without needing a full studio setup. First, the AI background replacement is shockingly clean. No green screen needed. I ran it on a cluttered office background, and it gave me that clean, blurred look, comparable to DSLR quality. Second, it auto-adjusts lighting and focus in real time. That's huge. No more looking washed out under bad lighting or out of focus when you shift slightly. It's like having a virtual lighting assistant following you. Third, the AI face tracking and auto-framing work flawlessly. Even if you move around, the camera keeps you centered and framed tight, like you're being filmed by a pro. Fourth, it has gesture control baked in. Want to switch scenes or zoom in without clicking? Just wave. It felt gimmicky at first, but once I got the hang of it, it actually saved me time during live demos. Fifth, you can create custom AI personas with presets for camera angle, lighting, and mood. Think of it as templates for how you show up. Perfect if you record different types of content or switch between formal and casual meetings. Sixth, integration is seamless. BeVi AI camera works with Zoom, OBS, Google Meet, and even streaming tools like Streamlabs. No extra drivers or weird configurations. And finally, the feature I promised earlier, real-time AI-powered eye contact correction. This is wild. Even if you're looking at your script or screen, BeVi subtly adjusts your eyes to make it look like you're staring directly at the camera. That single feature makes a massive difference in trust and engagement when speaking on video. So, is BeVi AI camera worth trying? Absolutely, especially if you're someone who creates content, works remotely, or just wants to level up how you look on camera without buying expensive gear. Again, you can test it completely free using the first link below. And if you're serious about building with AI, I've also linked my top recommended AI software in the description. After testing thousands of tools, these are the few that actually deliver. Catch you in the next one.